Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. Today topic is GK. Question number 1. Which organ of human body is responsible for water balance? Answer is kidneys. Question number 2. Which organism monitor air pollution? Answer is Lechen. Question number 3. Santosh trophy is related with which sports? Answer is football. Question number 4. Hamlet Cup is related with which sport? Answer is lawn tennis. Question number 5. Wimbledon Cup is related with which sports? Answer is lawn tennis. Question number 6. Who is the author of famous book My Journey? Answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 7. Who is the author of famous book The Idea of Justice? Answer is Amartya Sen. Question number 8. Who is the author of famous book Straight from the Heart? Answer is Kapil Dev. Question number 9. On which date World Cancer Day is observed? Answer is 4 February. Question number 10. National Science Day is celebrated on which date? Answer is 28 February. Question number 11. On which date Central Axis Day is celebrated? Answer is 24 February. Question number 12. Who framed the Constitution of India? Answer is Constituent Assembly. Question number 13. Name the first country to make Constitution. Answer is USA. Question number 14. Fundamental rights Indian Constitution have been adopted from which country? Answer is America. Question number 15. In India, provision of single citizenship has been adopted from which country? Answer is England. Question number 16. Who was the Viceroy of India when India's first budget was introduced? Answer is Lord Canning. Question number 17. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Answer is representative. Question number 18. Who described Constitution of India as quasi-federal? Answer is K.C. Ware. Question number 19. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India was? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 20. Who was the first chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad.